Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kumar Singh and welcome to CCB Combined Counseling Board and its scholarship program. Today we will discuss about frequently asked questions which mostly come in your mind, and today I'll be answering all those questions. So the very first question what we have is, what is CCB scholarship? CCB provides scholarship up to 100% in college fee in its member colleges. CCB has assigned with many colleges in different courses in India, and all the colleges are approved by AICTE, UGC, MHRD Government of India and State Government University or boards. Suppose you want to take admission in B Pharma, so colleges must be approved by Pharmacy Council of India apart from UGC, State University and others. CCB has tie-up with many leading colleges of India and reserved some seats, that is up to 20% in all different courses and branches. Under scholarship program, we provide scholarship with every community and caste, whether it is SC, ST, OBC, general, minority, even financially weak students of any background or caste. CCB invites application and organize counseling every year for the welfare of the students and higher education. The next question is, how can I apply for CCB scholarship? To apply for CCB scholarship, first of all, you select your state on CCB website and click on the link Apply Now on your state page. You will see an application form. Fill up this form carefully and submit. Before submitting application form, you must choose your choice course after submission of form. You will get an application receipt or counseling letter. After submission of form, you will get an application receipt or counseling letter on your screen. You must get it printed or can save in your mobile for further references. If you forget to take print out of it or it doesn't appear on the screen, no need to worry. You can click on the link download application receipt or counseling letter and then take printout of it. Third question is, what are the qualifications required to apply for CCB scholarship? If you are an appearing or pass out student of 10th plus 2 final year in UZ or PG courses from any recognized board or colleges or universities and willing to take admission in technical or professional courses, you can apply for CCB scholarship scheme. Question number 4. Will I have to upload some documents at the time of filling up application form? No, you don't need to upload any documents or photographs at the time of application. You need to provide all required documents, that is your ID, and address proof, certificate of educational qualifications, and allotment letter of CCB at the time of admission in your choice college from the list given by CCB. Question number 5. If I have selected some other course by mistake and want to change, how can I do this? No issue. You can change your course at the time of counseling and final allotment. Question number 6. I have applied for CCB scholarship. Now, what is the next process? After applying on CCB website, you will be invited for counseling round. You will attend the counseling process of CCB for more details. At the time of counseling, you will be provided colleges list, detailed information of the colleges, location, placement, approval and affiliations, faculties, original fees and discounted fees, after CCB scholarship and other information. You must keep in touch with the website for further updates. Question number 7. When will I get college list? College list will be provided to you at the time of counseling only, as per the seats available under a scholarship scheme of CCB at that time. Question number 8. After counseling, what is the next process? After counseling, what is the next process? At the time of counseling, you will be provided colleges list, detailed information of the colleges, location, placement, approval and affiliation, facilities, original fees and discounted fees after CCB scholarship and other information. You have to select your choice college and course from the list and after that you will get an allotment letter of that selected college from CCB office. After taking that allotment letter, you can directly call to the directors of that college and you can confirm about your arrival date, and then you have to report to that college within the given date or on the same date what you have selected. And further, you have to take admission and move on your educational career. Question number 9. When is the counseling organized every year? Mostly counseling is organized in the month of April, May, June or July. But sometimes it also depends on the result of 10th and 12th by state board. Or you will be informed by the website of CCB. So please be in touch. Question number 10. I have applied for CCB scholarship but not getting counseling letter or application receipt downloaded. It happens sometimes due to server down or much traffic on the website. You may wait or visit the website after some time and try to download it again. After downloading, you can get it printed or you can save in your mobile for further process. To download the letter, you must enter your mobile number and your date of birth as you have filled in the application form. Question number 11. Does CCB charge any fee for this service? No, not at all. CCB does not charge any fees in any name. For the application, counseling, registration or admission, it doesn't take any single rupee. So please do not get into the trap of any agent or fraud. If you find out such people nearby you, please inform to CCB as well. Question number 12. Is it compulsory to take the allotment letter from CCB to take admission in the college under scholarship scheme? Yes, it is compulsory to take the allotment letter from CCB for admission in the CCB associated colleges under this scholarship scheme. If you register yourself in the college without CCB allotment letter, CCB will not help you in any case. You will be treated as direct admission on full fees of the college. So you must take allotment letter of CCB before visiting any of the college. Question number 30. After allotment through CCB, can I change the college? Yes, you can change the college from the list if seat is available at that time. If you have deposited any of the fee in that college, then the college will refund your fees. CCB has nothing to do in this refunding fee process. Question number 14. Can I apply for other scholarship provided by Government of India or my state? Yes, you can apply for any scholarship provided by Government of India or your state welfare department or any private organization or NGO. CCB has no connection with any government scholarship department. So, if you are eligible for any scholarship apart from CCB, you can apply as per the norms of concerned department. You can avail the benefit of both the scholarship at the same time, one from CCB and other from any scholarship department. Question number 15. Apart from CCB scholarship, can I apply for scholarship on National Scholarship Portal Government of India? Yes, of course. You can apply on National Scholarship Portal of India if you are eligible and take benefit of both, as CCB has nothing to do with any other scholarship, so you can avail the facility of any scholarship.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे इस चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि आपको करियर और स्कॉलरशिप से रिलेटेड वीडियोस मिलती रहे।